If you don't know how to read candlesticks, you are literally trading blind. Most traders lose money not because of bad strategies, but because they misread one of the simplest things, the chart itself. But here is the good news. In less than 9 minutes, I will simplify candlesticks so that you can spot reversals, trends, ranging markets, and traps like a pro. By the end, you will be ahead of 90% of traders who just guess on patterns. Drop a fire in the comments if you have ever lost money misreading candles. This video is for you if you are new and confused about candlesticks, or you have traded before but still struggling and second guess patterns, or maybe you want to stop an emotional trades and you need clarity before your next trade so you can start reading price action like a pro. I will break down the 8 most powerful candlestick patterns, explain what they mean, and show you how to stop misreading charts. No fluff, no jargons, just read a sample and clean insights. Comment candle below so I know you are with me. Let's start with the basics. What is candlestick? A candlestick shows price movement within a specific time frame. For example, on a 15-minute chart, each candlestick represents 15 minutes of price action. Every candlestick tells a story. Here is what makes up one candlestick: open, close, wick or shadow, and body. Open. This is market price when the candle starts. Close. The price when the candle ends. Wicks or shadow. The higher and the lower price dramatic movement before the candle closed. Pro tips: the longer the wicks, the stronger the rejection. Body. The space between open and close of the candle. If the candle closes higher than its opening price, it is bullish. If it closes lower, it is bearish. Got it? Cool. Now, let's dive into the patterns. Here is 8 most powerful candlesticks pattern and clean insight example. Number 1, the engulfing bar pattern. Whether bullish or bearish, this is power move. It happens when a candle completely swallows the one before it. That means momentum just flipped and big money might be stepping in. When a bullish engulfing bar swallows the prior candle, buyers just took control. The bearish version, sellers are in charge. Pro tip: this is most powerful after a long trend or at support and resistance level. Number 2, the Doji candle family. The Doji candle family have one thing in common. The candle open and close almost at the same price level. Number 1 of the Doji family is indecisive Doji. Open and close at almost the same price, and the upper and lower wicks are almost the same length or height. This means market is confused. Don't trade on this alone. Number 2 of the Doji family is Dragonfly Doji. The open and close are almost at the same price level with long lower wick. Shows price got pushed way down, but buyers fought back. This means that there might be possible reversal at the bottom. The 3rd Doji candles family is Gravestone Doji, which is opposite of Dragonfly Doji pattern. Opens and close are almost at the same price level, but with long upper wick. Price got pumped up, but seller slammed it down. This means reversal alert at the top. Don't panic trading dojis. Only have it in mind that context matters, especially at support, resistance, key levels, and trend. The next candlestick pattern is Morning Star pattern. These are damn trend killers, perfect for catching bullish reversals early. This Morning Star 3 candle pattern scream bullish reversal. The first candle is big bearish candle. The middle candle is Doji or small candle. This can be any color. And the last candle is big bullish candle. It's like the market saying we are done falling. Use it after a downtrend. Confirmation with volume, support, and key levels is needed. I'm going to show you details on how to trade all this pattern in real time in an upcoming video. If you are anticipating this, drop fire in the comment section so that I will know that I'm not alone. The next pattern is evening star pattern, exact opposite of morning star candle pattern, with bullish candle followed by small or doji candle. This also can be any color. And the last candle, strong bearish candle. It's like buyer gave up and seller took control. Look for this at the top of an uptrend. The next pattern is called hammer. This looks like a hammer. Small body, long lower wick. Tells you price dropped, but buyer pull it right back up. This is bullish reversal, especially at the support and key level. The next pattern is shooting star. Same shape flips of hammer. Small body, long upper wick, which means buyer tried, but seller crushed it. This indicates bearish reversal. Very strong when it forms at a resistance and key level zone. The next pattern is aramine or inside bar pattern. A small candle sits inside the previous big candle, showing indecision. This alone is not strong, but it can signal consolidation before a big breakout. The next candle pattern is twister tops and bottoms. This is two candles with similar highs and lows. Twister tops is potential bearish reversal, while twister bottoms is potential bullish reversal. Simple, but powerful when found at the top or bottom of a trend. Key levels of resistance or support. Bonus tips. Pattern similarities. Dragonfly doji versus hammer. Both have long lower wicks, signal reversals from the bottom. Gravestone doji versus shooting star. Both have long upper wicks, shows rejection from the top. The main difference is the body. Hammer and shooting stars have small bodies. Doji have nearly no body at all. Quick recap. Here are the candlestick patterns you now know. Engulfing bar, which means momentum shift. Doji family, which means indecision. Morning star, bullish reversal alert. Evening star, bearish reversal alert. Hammer, bullish rejection. Shooting star, bearish rejection. Aramine or inside bar, consolidation. Twister tops and bottom, hidden reversal clue. You also learn to avoid rookie mistakes, like overreacting to dojis or misreading the entire candlestick without checking context. Checking context before trade execution is the powerhouse of smart traders. Candlestick pattern is just for confirmation. Final thoughts. Candlesticks don't predict the future. But when you understand what they really mean, you stop chasing noise and start seeing intention. That is the edge. Congratulations if you made it to this point. You are now ahead of 90% of traders who just guess on patterns. Smash like button if this helped you. Subscribe for part 2 where I will show exactly how to backtest these patterns before risking real money. Comment your toughest candlestick question and I will answer in the next video. See you there.